Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to TradingView in 2026. We will also be taking a look at whether this thing is possible or not here in TradingView. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Then simply provide your login credentials in order to log in into your account. Now by default, you will be here on this particular home page of TradingView. So simply look for the option of the search bar here on the top. Then among the given options, click on the option of crypto so that it could show you the list of all of the cryptocurrencies charts which you can basically launch over here in TradingView. So you can click on the option of launch chart right next to any of the cryptocurrencies. For example, let's say I've opened the chart of Bitcoin USDT over here. So once you are inside the chart, click on the option of trading panel option in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now click on the option of show all brokers. Now, when you see this type of list of all of the brokers that basically can be connected to the TradingView account very easily, you just have to search for Phantom icon here in this particular list. You can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then when you search for Phantom Wallet, if you are able to find it over here, simply double click on it and follow further instructions in order to connect it with your TradingView account. But as you can see, since Phantom is a wallet and you can't actively punch the trades and the orders here, this particular option is not available. So if that's the case with you as well, what you can do is you can simply use TradingView for analyzing your charts with the help of these particular tools that are available here. And once you are able to find the trade when you want to basically punch the order, you can go to your Phantom Wallet application and then you can purchase your favorite cryptocurrency inside it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.